Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Elyria Parish and south central Louisiana, southeastern St. Martin Parish and south central Louisiana, northeastern St. Mary Parish and south central Louisiana, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing and expected to continue. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Intent: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Morgan City, Bell River, Steffensville, and Pierre Park. Be especially cautious at night when it is possible to recognize the dangers of flooding.